Let me know. There is no sound. Why no sound? Now? There is no sound. Now we have sound. Now we have sound. Why no sound? Yeah, a little bit noisy. Bear with me. Sorry about all this. Now we have sound. Now we have sound. Let's see now. Why no sound? Yeah, a little bit noisy. Bear with me. Sorry about all this. Now we have sound. Bear with me, we had a very What in the name happened here? One second. Now is there sound? What in the name happened? Now, no sound? Still no sound? Should be sound now, right? Okay, the noise we need to ignore. I will fix it after the live, I promise. We had no sound. We had a nasty night. As you can know, if you don't know, someone tried to hack the Fibonacci-Traders Discord and just erased everything. I worked all night until 6:30 a.m. Thailand time. Went to sleep 3 hours and woke up and still working to recreate the Fibonacci-Traders Discord, bring it back to where it was. Now, ocean in the background. Yeah, it's ocean in the background. We have ocean here in the background. How is it now? Okay. Noisy? It is what it is. It is what it is. Let's start. Hey, how are you? So, futures inside this uptrend channel until proven otherwise. We have here the 2 hours trend lines that show us the way. The way for now is up, right? Next resistance 50-50. This area, the 5,000 needs to hold. Futures 15 minutes also an uptrend. 50.03 needs to hold. 50.16 is the resistance. And as you can see, trend lines are the true support resistance for price action. Bitcoin 4 hours. What do we see? Uptrend until proven otherwise. Let me just do this. And lines. Bitcoin on the 4 hours. Uptrend until proven otherwise. I see 58 incoming. Ethereum. What do we have on the 4 hours? Look at Ethereum. Look at this nice uptrend. Bullish run on the 4 hours on Ethereum. Cryptoland has woken. And this road, this trend line, takes us to 31.50. Now, 28.28 is the resistance. Above it, 29.70 and 31.50. This area, the 26.30, needs to hold. SPY on the daily. Let's check it. SPY, daily, uptrend channel. Pre-market now is 0.35 to the upside. We are still in a bull's territory. We are still above the yellow zone. We are still inside the uptrend channel. QQQ, uptrend channel until proven otherwise. We are above the yellow zone. We are all good. Q's, bullish territory. Dow Jones. I appreciate you very much, Samsung. Thank you very much. Dow Jones holding above the yellow zone. Uptrend channel until proven otherwise. Long continuation above the 390 towards the 394. Just hit the like, subscribe, even if you don't want. It costs you nothing. It will make me happy. Like, subscribe, and let's continue. IWM inside this green zone, below and above the yellow zone, inside the green zone, long continuation breaking above it, and then we will see 213 and 230 to the upside, breaking below this yellow, below this green zone, and then we are going to hit the 170. Of course, everything you see and here on my channel is for educational purposes only. Magnificent 7 ETF, the MAGS, uptrend until proven otherwise. What else? NVIDIA. What will be with NVIDIA? NVIDIA 1067 post earnings. Never say never. Never say never. Look at these trend lines. Look at this uptrend. Will it ever break below and we will get a pullback? Of course. When? No one knows. It can happen tomorrow. It can happen day after the earnings, day before the earnings. It can happen when NVIDIA will reach 1067. Do not fight the trend. This is why we have trend lines. Don't fight the trend. Long continuation above 746 towards 800. Tesla still below. Sell pressure below the yellow zone inside the downtrend channel. So is it a good time to buy Tesla? Absolutely not. Still holding the 175 area on the weekly, as you can see, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Below it, we will close this gap at the 146. Sell pressure, downtrend on the weekly. Sell pressure, downtrend on the daily. Do not fight the trend. What else do we have? Thank you, Aries. Thank you very much, Amir, for this amazing super chat. If I would only know how to put it on the screen. Like this. I appreciate you very much. Thank you very much, Amir. What happened to us yesterday? A bot. Some kind of bot just broke into the Fibonacci-Traders Discord and just erased everything. It just erased all the Fibonacci Traders Discord. Everything. Users. Channels. History. Everything. But as you can see, we are back. This is your chance to make a difference inside the Fibonacci Traders Discord. It's all new. Same members, same team, elite team, professional traders for swing trading, for day trading, for options trading, for crypto trading. This is your chance to start new. And of course we have the same thing. In Hebrew we have the FTI special support channel. We have the course zone. We have the social media. Everything is back almost. So join us. What else do we have? WWBI. Let's see. WWBI. Cannot see it. Maybe APH. Let's check APH. What do we see? Uptrend. We got ourselves a sell signal from the FTI version 5. Why? Because of Tuesday's gap to the downside. It doesn't mean we need to go short the minute we have the sell signal. It just helps us to manage our position a little bit more careful. If we are in an uptrend, an APH, so we have this sell signal to let us know something happened, something unusual happened, so you might want to rethink your stop loss, and then here's your stop loss. Now your stop loss is at 103.60, and it's, only my opinion, 7 years of experience, and the FTI version 5. Crocs. By the way, Ernest, thank you very much for your help yesterday. I appreciate it very much. The sympathy. Crocs. Earnings. Gap up. Now let's see, breaking above this trend line. We can be a little bit more accurate with this trend line. Just let the Fibonacci trend lines do the work for you. You see? Above the 112.38, we are heading towards the 117.30, and then towards this upper trend line on Crocs. Crocs looking good. Let's put it on our watch list for today, and maybe swing throughout the weekend. Remember, Monday market is closed. Monday market is closed. Okay? Monday market is closed. NNOX. What happened here? What happened? NanoX imaging. I don't know. Frankly, I don't care about this kind of moves. It's too crazy. The same thing, it can go up, it can go down the next day or even today. Be careful, super careful with this kind of stocks, with this kind of gaps. When the QQQ will go down, when you will see these trend lines shifting from uptrend to downtrend. Until then, we are in an uptrend on the QQQ. BBWI. BBWI. Let's see what the Fibonacci Traders tool tells us about this name. Uptrend until proven otherwise. Very nice. Beth Body Works. It's not Beth Body Beyond. I don't know what was the name. But we have a very nice uptrend channel, long continuation above the 46 towards the 50, and then 56, your loss should be just below this area. Look at the 42.50. Strong support. Below it, it will break below the uptrend channel. And you don't want to go long, and you don't want to stay long if price breaks below the downtrend channel. What else do we have? CVNA. What's going on with CVNA lately? We had a nice break up above, still with a double bottom scenario. Let's make it a little bit like this. You have it. 40.22, triple bottom, broke above the yellow zone. Now let's see continuation above the 57, and then we will hit 62, 66, and this is your stop loss, this area, the 51.90 and the 51. All this area is your stop loss. Careful, next week. Earnings, CVNA overall looking good. Trend lines takes us north. Nvidia bought some shares in NN. Okay, thanks. Shlomo, thank you very much for this super chat. I appreciate it very much. Thanks for the help in English. This is why we are here. We learn to trade and we learn English. English is an international language. And if you want to succeed in life, you need to know English, at least basic English. And if you want to succeed in trading especially, everything is in English. So yeah, I try my best. ALGN. What do we see? Let's clean the chart. What do we see? Uptrend, very nice uptrend. Bull run above the 285, holding above this yellow zone. Long continuation above 308, and then you have all these levels to the upside, the 323, 343. And as long as you are above the yellow zone, as long as you are grinding below or even above this middle trend line, you are grinding up, which means uptrend until proven otherwise. Hot. What do we see? Same as the rest of the miners. As long as you will see Bitcoin running up, you will see Hot and friends going up. Now we got ourselves a buy signal. We broke above the downtrend channel. Now let's see continuation above 11, and then 1374 will be the next super tough resistance. All this yellow zone will be a very tough resistance. What else do we have? What do you think about MSTR? All these names. Let's go over all the Bitcoin miners, all these crypto names. Let's do it. You will ask them, so let's do it one by one. What do we have? CLSK. Look at this. Doji off a trend line. Careful. Once you see a doji on a trend line, pullback is incoming. Maybe not today, maybe tomorrow. Pullback incoming, maybe towards back to the 14. What else do we have? MSTR, MicroStrategy also. Let's clean the chart a little bit. Uptrend, but now we are in the upper border of this uptrend. Continuation above the 777, and we are heading towards the 80.866. Riot. Uptrend until proven otherwise. As you can see, all crypto land is going crazy. Next on Riot is the 1880 area. Above it, 2430. Hot. We talked about coin going up. Now trying to break above pre-market, breaking above the yellow zone. Let's see it holding above the yellow zone, and then 188 and 207. BTBT. Nice BTBT, still did not get the same action all the rest of the miners got. So pay attention on BTBT, breaking above the 343, 350. We are heading towards the 413. Mara 3130 is next. This is your stop loss, the green line. This is the beauty of the FTI version 5. It gives you everything that you need on the chart. This is the ultimate tool to translate market action, market language. Market language is candles, price action, and this is the ultimate translator. What do we see? Uptrend channel, Fibonacci levels to the upside as future support and resistance. We have this trend line, the middle trend line now, from resistance, now next to all the support. So Mara also, as long as you are grinding above or even below this trend line, it can go like this, right? But we don't care. As long as we are grinding up like a snake, surrounding this middle line, the way is where? The way is up. What else do we have on this sector? We have CAN. Nice. Let's see, break above the 262 and then 350. We have Wolf, WULF, uptrend, trying to break above the yellow zone. Let's see if it can close the day above the yellow zone, and then 276, 317, and just follow these trend lines, and all these levels to the upside will be your resistance for future price action. Hood. Yeah, Hood. I missed it. Hood. Earnings. Gap up. Right. Now, let's take Fibonacci to the upside. What do we see? This area, the yellow zone, needs to hold the support. The 255 needs to hold the support. Long continuation above 3090, and then breaking above these trend lines, and these trend lines, this channel, you will see in a few days getting broader and wider, and then we are going to see 1610 and 1960. Yep. But the only thing we can be sure of is where to put our stop loss. We can go to 16, we can go to 1960, we can go to also to 955. The only thing we have full control of is our risk management, and this is why the FTI gives us this green line. This is our risk management. DKNG. Take 1 second. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. It costs you nothing. For me, it means a lot. DKNG, uptrend until proven otherwise. Above the 44, where price of DKNG might be heading next. Let's see. Let's see. Ask Fibonacci, ask the FTI. Uptrend, next above the 44, we will see 47, but careful. DKNG. Careful, today, after the close. Earnings, we are traders, we are not gamblers. At least I'm not. At least my Fibonacci Traders team members. No one is going into earnings with an open position. Uber broke above an uptrend channel. Cannot be more bullish than this. Now, let's see continuation above the 80 towards 84 and 90. Overall, Uber, super bullish. UNG, natural gas, downtrend until proven otherwise. You see the FTI version 5? It works on everything. Commodities also, Forex, crypto, ETFs, stocks, long, short, swing, day trading, anything. What do you see? UNG, below the 1470. Let's make it a little bit more tighter. Below 1470, 1337, and then 1160 overall. Selling pressure on the gas, downtrend channel, downtrend until proven otherwise. Thank you very much, Samsung. For bounce, Stanislav, LKNCY. LKNCY for Yaron. What do we see here? Lacking coffee. For someone who's living in China, I can tell you their coffee tastes like and subscribe. The opposite of like and subscribe. The coffee is like no. Just a big no. But we don't care. What do we see? Downtrend until proven otherwise. Nothing much. Unlocking coffee. You want to go long, you need to at least a week or two above this upper border of this downtrend channel. Thank you very much, Semyon. Let's see futures. Nothing much. We are holding for swing for now. In the community, in the Fibonacci-Traders team, we are holding NVIDIA swing, PAYO. We're holding swing. We're holding NXT. And we're holding VKTX. All looking pretty good. Until when? Until our stop loss will hit. Any other questions, ladies and gentlemen? Any other requests? So once again, if you want to join a winning team, we are all back. If you want to join our winning team, check the links in the description from this video and in the first comment. Join us, and I promise you, I guarantee this will be your last stop before becoming professional, profitable traders. So I hope you found this live helpful, educational. If so, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any other video and any other live. Until the next live, until the next video, stay safe.